Good morning. So today I'm gonna teach you preposition. Okay. So first of all, what is preposition? Preposition is made from two words: pre plus position. What is pre and what is position? Pre means before. Position means what is position. What does preposition do? Preposition tells us about the relationship between two things or two nouns. Let's read its definition. A preposition is a word used before a noun, or pronoun to show its relation with the another noun or pronoun. Like preposition shows the relationship between two nouns. Look at this example. A cat is sitting on the table. The cat is sitting on the table. There are two nouns. Cat is noun and table is noun. There are two nouns. The cat is sitting on the table. And what is on and what is the work of on in this sentence? On is telling about the relation between the cat and the table. Okay, this is table and this here is cat. Cat is on the table. Means on is telling the relationship between cat and the table, the position of cat. Like cat is on the table. She is under the tree. She is pronoun. The tree is what? Noun. And what is under? Under is preposition. Under is telling about the relationship between she and the tree. Mom is in the kitchen. Mom is in the kitchen. Where is mom? Mom is in the kitchen. What is the position of mom? In the kitchen. Means this preposition is telling the relationship between mom and kitchen. There are two nouns now. There are two nouns and preposition is showing the relationship. The child stood behind his mother. The child is what? Noun. His mother is what? Noun. Mother is noun. What is the role of behind in the sentence? Behind is telling the relationship between child and the mother. Means वो child जो है mother के पीछे है. तो behind is telling about the relation, telling about the position of the child. Behind is telling the position of the child. Okay, I hope you have understood. And there are many use of each preposition, like on. Sometimes we use on to denote position. Sometimes we use on to show the date, or we can say preposition tells us the relationship of the noun. Means preposition tell us the position of the noun or the relationship with another noun or pronoun. Like यहाँ हमने पढ़ा mother is in the kitchen. In is telling about the position of mother. Like where is mother? In the kitchen. Kitchen में है. So in is telling us about the position of the mother.